helper base chapter 5 and
That's
the
only just
HTTP
what
server
we got.
request. HTTP
Only this tutorial only
service
talks about
response.
servlet request and response.
Right.
And then you call the super, which is right under.
Right?
Yeah, you're good, officer, you're good.
So we created that.
Number 3.
I know.
Declare a public member now. Right, Roman numerals 3?
Number 3, so this is the guy, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna declare public member variable name,
Arrow.
all right. And that one, will that be a protected guy? That
No,
is
it's a public.
not
It's a public, it says public member.
public number, okay. And where do we put that guy there?
In the top.
Is it on the helper 5?
It's right there. The where it says Java util map under the comments.
Right here?
Right there, error map.
Error man.
What it says in the book is that map is it's like a superclass, and the hash map is a type of map. So to use a map, you have to declare a type of map. So hash map is the map that you're gonna use, and it accepts 2 string.
So that's the one that we have to create,
Arguments.
right? All right, so how do we do that?
It's there already.
No, it's already created. That's it.
It's there already created.
You mean this guy, right?
Yeah, that's that guy right there.
That's it.
The error man.
Goodness gracious. Okay, so that's Roman number 3, so that's done.
All right, 4 is,
So now we do add a method name, get errors. Do you think it's there already?
I think so.
I think so, yeah.
Get errors.
Let me check.
Get errors.
Set
So
errors.
get
Set
errors.
errors.
Scroll down. Yeah, get errors, there you
Get
go.
errors,
Your
there
turn,
you go.
error map.
So it's there already.
How come I didn't see it? Where's it at?
Down. Keep going.
There you
Stop.
go. Get errors.
Oh, God.
No, I don't see the line.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, I just.
Yeah, right, it's right
So
here.
you have set errors, you have get errors.
Get errors, okay, now we need to add set errors.
It's also
So we have set errors,
Also,
so
the.
get
in the
errors
top,
is valid.
in the very top.
Yep, there's a set errors right there,
Yeah.
okay. So we assume that this is correct, right?
We assume and there's no errors.
And we assume there's no errors, all right. So that was number 5. So it says create a class validator, so we assume that one is there. So create a Boolean method name is valid.
Is there?
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right there. Look at the bottom.
It's valid.
Public boolean is valid.
Yep, it's valid. And it's doing a return, okay.
Call it, set
Now this call sets errors, it returns true. Set errors and it's returning, in
No,
this
no.
case, let's hope that works. So now we create we just did this, the is valid, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So create a new package, all right.
Chapter 5 required validation.
Right there, right? Create a chapter 5 required validation. It's not here.
Source package.
Source package.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, so there's nothing in there.
No,
So
you.
let's see where it wants out of that.
I think you created it in the chapter 4 enhanced folder.
No, you got it.
No,
Source
You got
package.
it, you're fine.
It's empty.
Oh, just empty.
It's right
It's
here.
just empty, yeah.
It's down there, but it's empty, right? Okay, so we created that, and then it says copy the controller class and the controller helper class from the enhanced tutorial in 4. So
Chapter
go to
4.
4, and we need to do the enhanced, no, controller and controller helper.
Controller helper.
Controller and controller helper from 4, right?
Yeah. But what you do is you copy and paste again from the site. The controller and then controller helper, you create the Java class.
These guys, right?
Yeah, but you don't want to
Controller
change
and
it.
controller helper, we take that from 4, you do this guy here, right? Oh, what did I do here? copy, that's easier. And then we go into this guy, right? That's the one we just did.
Yeah.
And we do right click and we put paste.
I missed that.
You missed that?
Yeah, could you go again?
Okay. So what I did was I opened 4, we just created the 5, there's nothing in there. So it says that from 4, copy these 2 guys there. So I right click on the controller, I do right click and I go ahead and say copy. So now that one is in memory, I click this guy, right click
Paste.
and I do a paste.
Okay, got it.
And then it has to be a refractor copy, okay? So, and we're gonna leave the same name and go ahead and do a refractor. And voila, there's no errors. So we do the same with the controller helper. Right click, we do a copy, we go to the 5, right click, and we do a paste with the refractor copy, and we do a refractor. Wow, no errors. Okay, let's save these. Okay, it's already saved. All right, so where are we?
We're at C,
No, I lost track right here. I created the one called that one, we just did copy this one and this one from the enhancement tutorial for we did this.
So you did that.
Refractor is necessary. Now we need to copy the edit, the confirm and the process packages from the enhanced tutorial of 4 into this package.
What?
Yeah, so we need to go copy, edit, copy, and processes
Yeah, they're already
Into
there.
that packet.
from the enhanced tutorial into that package.
He actually means to certify.
Copy 1, 2, and 3 from the enhanced tutorial from chapter 4. And then into this package. So, edit, confirm, and process, right?
So you go to enhance,
From the enhanced.
go to the web pages, right?
The web page.
But they're already there.
Go to the web info,
Oh,
web info.
Web info.
Yeah. Chapter 4 is inside web info.
They're under chapter 4.
Web info, keep going up.
Up,
Up,
on the
up,
top,
there you
web
go.
info.
There you go. Web info.
I don't see any web info.
Web line.
Keep going down. There you go.
Web-
Chapter
web
4.
info. How about web inf?
Enhance.
So we're looking for
Pinky,
3 guys,
pinky,
3 guys,
pinky.
right? And when do we need to copy those guys?
Into the package.
Into the packet, right? Into the 5 guy. So I'm gonna minimize this one so we don't get confused. We're gonna open this one so we know we're gonna put that in there. And can I copy all of these at once?
You sure can. Copy.
Alright, this is 1, 2, and 3. Right click. Do a cut and copy, right?
Just copy.
Right click, and then we do a paste.
There you go.
Oh my
How
goodness.
come they didn't ask for the refractor?
We did, right?
But it's cool though, it's good.
Yeah, it's cool, yeah.
It's good.
So copy edit that into the enhanced tutorial of the chapter into this package, perfect. Now we're gonna copy the request data from the data bean tutorial in chapter 3. Oh, God.
We already have it in
It's
there, right?
there, yeah.
Go to
And-
chapter 3. You have it in there.
You there?
Yeah.
And we're gonna rename it request data required.
Alright, so go to chapter 3 in NetBeans. There you go, chapter 3. Default data. Request data, now you're gonna rename it request data required. So rename,
So you do a refractor, and then you select rename, if you could. All right, so what's the new name?
delete default and put required with a capital R.
This guy, right? And then if everything else fails, you just go ahead and do,
Wait.
Request data required, that's the one.
Yeah, but are you gonna, you did a copy already?
No, he's just renaming.
it says to rename it. Before you do refractor, let's do that. It says, copy the request data from the
Then
data
rename.
bean tutorial and name it. Copy to where?
We're in the package,
No, it says from tutorial chapter 3, but you already have it there, so you're just renaming it.
Yeah, but I think since you're already working in chapter 5, dot required validation packet, I think he means inside the package.
Copy it in there and rename
Copy
it,
and
right?
then
rename,
rename.
right.
Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna cancel this guy.
Alright.
So
Copy
we're gonna
that.
grab this guy and right click and then copy it. And then it makes sense that what he's trying to tell us is to go into this guy here and paste it in there, right?
And rename it.
And
Right,
then
then-
rename it.
And then refactor copy, and you can rename it. You can rename it there.
And let me copy the guy again, so this guy here.
Copy.
Something's going wrong with mine.
Well, we'll see. Ready? We're gonna refactor,
Yeah.
cross the fingers,
Oh, there it is.
no errors.